You were the funniest part about this video.
Sure am. But at least I didn't get wet. Yeah, don't mind me. I'm just in my underwear. No big deal. Yeah, he's not going to have much power. It's going to be hard.
Yeah, you're just slipping on the mud right now. He'll pull you out.
You're good, bro. Keep going. There you go. Just tow her across the fucking street.